How are you? Hi, Isaac. How are you? Huh? What happened? Hi, Daisy. Hi. Ugh, what are you doing? What's up, guys? It's your boy Robert here. Hope you guys are having a great day. Well, today is kind of a good looking day. At least we got some blue skies over here, guys. I don't want to talk too soon, but I'm just here putting gas. I'm gonna pick up some coffee. I was gonna pick up some food, but you know what? My stomach's been feeling kind of weird ever since I ate my mom's lumpia and her pancit yesterday. Maybe it's just too much oil, so I'm just gonna give it some liquid, and that's about it. I'll probably just eat later tonight, but yeah, after the coffee I'm gonna head over to Photographer's place. Daniel's there also, aka the Apex Predator, so I'm just gonna hang out. I tried to get the kids out, but they don't want to leave the house, so I gotta leave the house. I can't just stay in there for a long duration of time, guys. But I'm probably gonna ride my skateboard around Photographer's place, and then bring you guys out to happy hour later today. Oh, there's my friend over there. All right, guys, I'm gonna put some gas. Catch you guys in a few. All right, guys. So I got my coffee from none other than from Starbucks, guys. I only go to Starbucks once in a great while. So I tried the Dulce, I'm probably pronouncing it wrong, cinnamon Dulce latte, I think it's called. The large, what do you call this? Venti. And I'm gonna say, guys, I mean, it's pretty good. I mean, I would like it hotter, but here you go. Yeah, it's pretty good. So I'm heading over to Photographer's just to hang out just a little bit.